what makes a good idea more than just a good idea? Today, more than 1,000 people will go to work at CincyTech portfolio companies. Companies that started small with a big idea. Like Jason's.
What if you could measure someone's sweat in real time to monitor their well-being?
So, Jason and his team invented technology for non-invasive electronic
Wearable sweat sensors.
Their company, Ekron Systems, was named to a global list of promising startups as they develop
The first ever product to really go after monitoring dehydration with professional athletes, military, and workforce applications.
Piyush, co-founder of Geneticists, thought
chest pain sends millions of people to hospital emergency rooms every year. What if a non-invasive 90-second scan could eliminate 18 to 36 hours of unnecessary tests?
his cardiomagnetic imaging device was used in a hospital patient study and is moving towards commercialization. Geneticists was named Venture Ohio's 2018 Early Stage Company of the Year. But ideas don't become companies on their own. Innovators need advocates. Companies need capital. And most venture capital is on the coasts, which is why CincyTech exists.
If a region like ours does not invest in its best opportunities, those opportunities will either stay on the shelf or they'll go to some other place where they can raise capital. So we have to do this.
We were an early investment by CincyTech at AssureX at a time where there were not a lot of options in the ecosystem in Greater Cincinnati.
Don helped to build AssureX Health, a precision medicine company that now employs hundreds and has helped hundreds of thousands. AssureX Health was acquired in 2016 and became Myriad Neuroscience in 2018.
It's so important to invest at that seed stage, and if you want to know why, just look at the community that Cincinnati is now.
Innovative companies are taking root. At Action Streamer, Dahani and Chris are changing the way fans consume sports.
We're giving fans that first-person perspective to get them closer to the action.
Ryan is revolutionizing exercise.
Include Health was inspired after witnessing a man in a wheelchair relentlessly struggle while exercising. That idea ballooned from what I call accessible fitness into an inclusive digital platform.
KEERTHI's company helps patients and hospitals.
Ready Set Surgical is a cloud-based coordination platform that ensures every patient has all the proper tools and implants in the operating room before they're ever in the procedure.
The hardest money to find is the earliest money. Believing before others do is sort of our role, it's our job.
Because it leads to other believers. Since 2007, CincyTech has invested $53 million into 77 local startups. Those companies have gone on to raise $828 million in co-investment from around the world.
When outside investors are willing to put their dollars into our community, it tells us that there really is something going on here that is going to change the future of Cincinnati.
That future is being built now.
The vision of LoSANT really is to create a fully connected world. So we see a day where all of these sensors, all of this information that make up the Internet of Things comes to LoSANT's platform.
We want to make STACK the default solution for managing and working with blueprints in the cloud.
I think we will be shifting the healthcare paradigm. Patients will be able to self-administer medications where they once had to go to the hospital.
And it's being built here.
Simply put, we couldn't be where we are today without that investment. You can't deliver this impactful platform without being able to hire ahead of the time and without being able to provide the dollars to support marketing and sales.
So what helped these ideas to become something more? Smart innovators, hard work, belief, and a community willing to invest in itself.